Hello, Camorello and Twanelo. Hello, Austin. It's great to see you guys here with us.
Evening, everybody, and I hope you've had a great day. Welcome to the last session. This is the last of this geometry.
The last one for geometry, yes.
The last session of geometry. But yeah, it's been a very long journey, I guess, going through the different geometry sections. So it has to come to an end so we can move on to other sections. And also so that you can go on your break very soon.
Yeah. Teacher Depeche, I want to see what they've got. I want to see how much they've learned over the past 4 weeks.
Yeah.
That they've done, yeah.
And this is a consolidation session.
Yes.
But yeah, there is a question on the screen. Name 3 types of angles between parallel lines. So we had learned about parallel lines. So if you can think about that, those on the live stream as well, welcome. And if you can show us a thumbs up, just to show us that you are there. And you're also welcome to have a pen and paper ready and write down some answers to this question. Hi, Lutando. I see you've got your hand up. Is there any question? You're welcome to type the answer in the chat as well and let us know what you think are the 3 angles between parallel lines. Camogelo, I'm still waiting for an answer from you. If you can share the answer. Oratsile, if you can let us know, what are the 3 types of angles between parallel lines? Tosley, welcome. Dalen, also, if you can share your answer with us, that would be great. Okay, Lutando, thank you. There's one still missing, so if you can let us know what the missing one is.
Sir, I think it's corresponding.
The missing one is corresponding, hey? Thank you for that. And who is that?
Oratile.
Oratsile, thank you so much for that, Oratsile. That's great. Okay, so let's write that down. We've got the answers. So 3 types of angles between parallel lines. Whoops. Let's do this. So we've got corresponding angles, we've got co-interior angles, and we have got alternate angles. So we've got corresponding, we've got co-interior, and we've got alternate. Three. And what are the shapes for each of these? Who wants to tell me what are the shapes? What shape do we look for when we think of corresponding?
Triangles.
Triangles. Is that right, everybody? Or is it another shape? What sort of shape do we look for? Do we look for a U, a Z? What shape are we looking for? Lunico, Lutando, Dalen? Yeah, yeah. Swanello?
It says that there.
A Z is for alternate, right? Alternate angles is the Z. What other shape do we get, Swanello?
U for conjuria.
Yes. And what do the angles of the U add up to, Swanello?
Uh,
Anybody wants to help, Swanello? What do the angles of the U add up to? Yeah? Saripa?
180.
180 degrees. Okay, that's correct. So 180 degrees. Well done. And lastly, the corresponding, what shape is that? What shape is that?
F.
Yes, it is the F shape like that, right? Okay, so this is what we need to look out for. The 3 between parallel lines, corresponding co-interior alternate, co-interior equals 180 degrees. We've also learned in the past that angles on a straight line. What do angles on a straight line add up to? What do angles on, hey?
180.
180 degrees. So those are adjacent angles on a straight line are 180 degrees, right? Okay. Okay, let's look at a question, right? So we've got this first one here. It says A, B, C, and D, E, F are parallel lines. So parallel lines don't meet, yes? So we can see they are parallel lines, and BEG is a straight line. Angle GEF equals 47 degrees. Work out the size of the angle marked X. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to try this out. Write reasons for all your steps. So work out the size of the angle marked X. You can type your answer, the final answer in the chat, and we can all compare with what we all have. Let's have a look if any of you have shared your answers. Okay, let me know what you get. Camogelo, Arsene, let me know what you get. Thank you for that, Arsene. Please remember to give me reasons as well, right? You must give me reasons. Some people will have different reasons because remember, we often find things in a different way. So we may have different reasons, but let me know what your specific reason is, right? I've got one answer so far. Swanello, do you have an answer?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet. Okay. We'll give you another minute or two. Lunico, do you have an answer? Yes, Lunico?
Sorry, sir, I don't have it yet, but I'm still trying to work out.
Okay, not a problem. Do let me know once you have something. Please type in the chat. Even if you're not that confident about the answer, please take a try and let me know what you get. Thanks, Oratile. Oratile, are you able to unmute?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. How did you get that, Oratile?
Sir, I said x plus 47 equals 280.
Okay, so before you get to that, Oratile, does that mean this is X here? This is 47 here.
Yes, sir.
And what's the reason for this, first of all?
Vertically opposite angles.
So I'm going to write here DEB, right? Because it's in the middle of that, right? So DEB equals 47 degrees, and you're saying vertically opposite angles. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's vertically opposite angles, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what do we do next, Oratile?
Sir, what do you mean by finding x?
Yeah, what do we do next? Yeah.
So I said 180 minus 47.
Equals X.
Yes, sir.
And what's the reason for that?
Alternate angles.
Alter-
No, sorry. Is it alternate? Yes, it's alternate, sir.
So you're talking about the U, hey, Oratile?
Yes, sir.
What is the U? The U is not alternate. What is it called?
Oh, it's co-interior, sir.
Yeah, so you're talking about this is a U here, right?
Yes, sir.
Talking about this. So the U is co-interior. So can I say this, Oratile? Can I say X plus 47 degrees equals to 180 degrees?
Yes, sir.
And this is co-interior, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then x equals to 180 degrees minus 47 degrees, right?
Yes, sir.
So x then equals to, what is 180 minus 47?
133.
133 degrees. Let's look who else has that. Well done. That's really great. Who else has 133? Can you show me maybe a thumbs up? Those on the live stream as well, you're also welcome to share. Thank you, Lutando. Who else has 133 degrees? Thank you, Camogelo. Anybody else? Okay, somebody else clicked there, but I lost that one. Lunico, did you get 133 degrees?
No, sir.
Okay, do you understand this process though?
I'm trying, sir.
Okay, which part of it is a bit confusing for you?
Um, where you like find the U?
The U, okay. Can you see the U from the highlighted diagram though?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's just about finding the U, hey?
Yes, sir.
Or the shape, even if it can be an F or a Z as well, hey? So what some people would do here is they can find this part here first. See, this here is 133 because it's a straight line, see?
Yes,
So
sir.
we've got a straight line here, and this is 133 degrees. Can you see the straight line here?
Yes, sir. I can see.
And after finding the 133 degrees, you can then find an F. See, there's an F here. Can you see this F?
Yes, sir. I can see.
So yeah, so this, you can actually answer this question in a variety of different ways, variety of different shapes, right? So it all depends on what you see. Different people see different things when they look at the diagram, right? Some people may see an F first, some may see the Z or the U, right?
Yes, sir.
There we go. So that is 133 degrees. X is 133. Okay. Are there any questions from anybody? No. Okay. Let's try another one. See what happens. Are you all ready to try another one? You can just show me a thumbs up. Okay. Yes. Okay. Arsene, are you ready to try another one? Tosley, you've been very quiet. Okay. So let's try this out. Let's look at another one, right? So I'm going to share another one with you. This one involves a triangle. What do the angles of a triangle add up to?
180.
Yes. I want you to find how much, what is the size of angle marked Y? And they tell us here that DE is parallel to FG, and we need to find Y degrees. Okay, let's try that out. Do let me know when you have an answer. You can type in the chat or also unmute. Okay, do let me know if you have an answer. And a reason as well for this particular answer, right? Thanks, Oratile. That's great. Okay. We'll give it a minute and then check what others have. Oratile has given an answer in the chat. If you have a look there, you can confirm or you can give another answer. Lutando, are you able to unmute? No. Camogelo, are you there? Let's have a look. Okay, I do have another answer here. 116 co-interior. Swanello, are you able to unmute?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. How did you get the 116, Swanello?
I did X equals to 180.
Okay, so are you finding this one here first?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is this one here? 180 minus 64.
Yes,
Okay, so let me call that X, right? So I'm going to call this X. So I'm going to say here, X plus 64 degrees equals to 180 degrees, right?
yes, sir.
So X will then equal to 180 minus 64 degrees, right? And you're saying that's 116 degrees, right? And then what
Yes.
do we do? What do we do then, Swanello?
Oh, I didn't add another number. Oh,
Okay. So what do we do next? You realized something there?
and then we're going to minus 62 degrees.
Yes. So there's a U there. Hey, can you see the U?
Yes, sir.
You're talking about this U here, hey?
Yes, sir.
So we're going to say, what does the angles of a U add up to?
180.
180. So are we going to then say y plus 116 degrees equals to 180 degrees? Okay. And this is the reason why it's called co-interior angles. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then y will equal to 180 minus 116 degrees, which will give us 64 degrees. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, excellent. So this is co-interior and we use straight line as well. So this one here was straight line, right? Is there another way, anybody? Is there another way of doing this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is the other way?
Sir, there's an alternate angle in the
Okay,
triangle.
you're talking about this one here. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Mhm.
great. So that's an alternate angle. So y equals 64 degrees alternate angles. Eh? So that is
Yes,
an
sir.
that is an alternate solution, right? So we can have that, or y simply equals to 64 degrees. And the reason for this is alternate angles, right? There we go. Is that okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. What about the rest of you? Is everybody okay with this? Tosley, Dalen? Thanks for that. Okay. Okay, thanks, Lutando, for pointing that out. Yes, yes. Okay, great, Tosley. Arsene, excellent. Are there any questions related to this one before we move on to the next exam type question? Nope. Okay, let's try this one. It says AQB, CRD, and PQRS are straight lines. AB is parallel to CD. Angle BQR equals 113 degrees. Work out X and provide a reason. Let's try that out. Step by step and provide a reason. Let's have a look if any of you have shared your answers. We've got some others who've joined us as well. Bokamuso, welcome. Who else has joined? Somebody else. Okay. All right. Let me know what answer you get. Just share it in the chat, or you're also welcome to unmute. Thanks for this answer. Okay. And remember to please give me reasons, hey, to say why do we have this answer? Dalen, are you able to unmute? Oh, Dalen's microphone is not connected, I see here. Okay, but you can let us know in the chat, Dalen. Let us know what your answer is. Nokubonga, do you have an answer for us? Not yet. Okay, I'm going to go with, okay, Oratile has given me an answer of 47, vertically opposite. And I've got an answer of 67 as well here. Let's put, okay, thanks for letting me know about that. Okay, great. So let's see here. Maybe we should ask Oratile, how did you get 47, Oratile?
So I first worked out the co-interior angle.
Okay, and what is the, how do we find the co-interior angle?
So it's 180 minus 133.
113, hey, not 33.
113, sorry.
Check that out.
No, it's minus 1. Oh, so it's 67, not 47, sorry.
67, you're right. Okay, so here we've got, so can I say 113 degrees plus, I'm going to call this y, plus y equals 180 degrees. And the reason for that is co-interior, right?
Yes, sir.
Co-interior angles. And so this is, so you're going to say then y equals to 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. And you said it's 67, eh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here's 67. How will we then find x?
So the angles are vertically opposite, so it automatically is 67.
67, and that is vertically opposite angles, right?
Yes, sir.
There we go. Okay, so x equals 67 degrees vertically opposite angles. Okay, great. Does everybody have that? You can just show me a thumbs up. Also, those on the live stream, please feel free to share. If you have this answer, you can also show us a thumbs up so we know where you're at. Thank you for those thumbs up. That's great. Okay, I've got another interesting one, but I've got quite a few here, but I'm going to fast forward a little bit here and show you this one because it's got some interesting properties of the triangle. So we're going to look at this one. And it says that CDEF is a straight line. AB is parallel to CF and DE equals AE. Work out the size of the angle marked X. You must give a reason for your answer. So work out the size of the angle marked X and give a reason for your answer. So we've got an interesting triangle here. What type of triangle is this? What do we call this? Does anybody remember? What is the name of this triangle here? It is a specific type of triangle. Who remembers? What do we call this type of triangle? Samkelo, Arsen, Bokamuso.
So this is an equilateral triangle.
Okay, and why is it an equilateral? What is the properties of an equilateral triangle?
All the sides are equals, which means all the angles are 60 degrees, which end up 180.
Okay, but here, don't they tell us only two sides are equal? See this one and this one.
So it's an isosceles.
Isosceles, that's right. Bokamuso, is that right? Isosceles? Yeah, two sides equal, right? So triangle ADE has two sides equal. Therefore, it is isosceles. Okay. So let us now find the size of the angle marked X. We've got KK also who's joined. Welcome, KK. Okay, let's see what you come up with for X. Feel free to share your answers. This one seems to be a bit tricky. I'm not getting too many answers. Let me know what's challenging about it if you're finding it difficult as well. Okay, thank you. I've got an answer here. A few answers of 142 degrees. Okay. So if I look at this, I'm going to see that this is 38 degrees. And I can see a Z here. Look here. So this is 38 degrees. Okay. Now remember, because this is an isosceles triangle, I'm going to call this Y and this one Y. So I'm going to say here, Y plus plus 38 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And the reason for this is angles of a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to say then 2y equals to 180 degrees minus 38 degrees. So 2y equals 180 minus 38 degrees, which is 142 degrees. So 2y equals 142 degrees. So if 2y equals 142, then 1y must equal 71 degrees. Okay. So therefore here we have 71. And here we have 71 degrees. Okay. And then what we can see here is that x plus 71 degrees equals to 180 degrees. And this is because of straight line. Therefore, x equals to 180 degrees minus 71 degrees. And what is 180 degrees minus 71? It is 109 degrees. And that is your answer. All right. Does everybody see that? You can just show me a thumbs up. Everybody see that? Dalen, Twanelo, Tosley, Lutando, Keke. Do you see that? Okumuso? Okay, thank you. Just show me a thumbs up. Those on the live feed as well. Nokubonga? Are there any questions? Arsene? No. Okay, great. All right. So I see thumbs up and also no questions, which means that you are understanding. Great. Yeah, routine is a bit of a challenging one, but I hope it makes sense now. So yeah, this is it from me. And I want to thank you for your participation. And I hope that this lesson has helped us to consolidate concepts regarding angles and geometry. And I want to wish you a great break and a great holiday period next week, I believe. And I'm going to hand you over to Coco, who's going to end off the session. So thank you all for contributing. And it's been really great working with you on this section.
Oh, thank you, Teacher Depesh. That was, that last question. My mind was also just a little bit. Yeah. Oh, okay, but that was awesome. Guys, this is actually our very last lesson. I'm going to share my screen quickly. Kind of sad, actually, because I was enjoying having you guys here. Okay, so this is our very, very last lesson, guys. We want to give you a big round of applause. Well done, guys, for sticking it out. I know some of you guys have been with us since lesson 1 all the way to lesson 8. We love your diligence. It's great. And we hope that you guys have gotten the most out of these lessons. But that doesn't mean we're finished. That just means that grade 8 geometry is finished and we're going to start a new course in term 4, and we will let you guys know in time what that new course is for grade 8. It'll probably have something to do with your final exams that you guys are going to be writing. So look out for that as we go. Okay, so these are all the lessons that we've done since we started on the 6th of September, and now is the 29th. Guys, can you believe it? Like a whole month has gone by that we've been doing this. This is amazing. Well done, guys. I like my little meme guy over there going victory. I think it's very, very appropriate for everything that we've gone through so far. My leaderboard is looking very scant. Guys, I can't believe what I'm seeing. I know you guys are better than this. I know for a fact you guys, like, most of the time we've got like 16s and 14s on the board. So I'm hoping to see a lot more exercises on the board. But I'm very proud of you guys who are on the board. Hoping to see a couple of new names or other names on the board that I haven't seen before. But remember, guys, maths is about practice. So the more we practice, the better we will get at it. Okay. We don't really have any homework for you guys because this is the very last lesson. But if you go onto the Watobe website, or if you go on the app, you can check out geometry, which is everything that we've done. Geometry of 2D shapes, geometry of straight lines, and transformation geometry. You can try all the quizzes in there just to make sure that you're understanding everything that we are doing in these lessons. So yeah, that is it from us, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We have loved having you guys with us. I hope to see more of you guys and your friends next term. Tell your friends that we're going to be helping you guys pass your maths exams a lot better. So invite as many of your friends as you can to join us here at Watobe. Okay, thanks everyone. We're gonna see you guys in term 4. I think term 4 starts not this coming week on the 11th or the 12th, but we'll definitely let you guys know. Okay, bye-bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, everybody, and take care.
Bye.